Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can spawn NPCs in Hytale. So to spawn NPCs it's actually quite easy. We just open up our chat log here and we type in /NPC space spawn. That's SPAWN. Press enter and you bring up the spawn console. So we have NPCs, items and models. Now in order to spawn NPCs all you need to do is choose the NPC that you want from the drop down list here. So for example if I want to choose this boar, we can have a boar spawn in. I have the option down here to rotate it accordingly and increase the count number. So for example if I want 2 boars I can just enter that. Do be warned, if you increase this significantly, you are going to get a degree of lag when you implement this. If I just go ahead and press spawn here now, you will see that 2 boars have spawned in. If the animals are hostile when you spawn them in, that they will immediately attack you, so do be aware of that if you have people that are not in creative mode. Now the other thing that you can be aware of as well is if you type in /help here and bring up the help console and we scroll down to NPC, which is just here, you can see that there is a whole selection of other commands also available, such as setting attack patterns. You have the option here to remove them. You have the option as well to do things like test, assign roles, or see what else you can do. But that, guys, is how you spawn in NPCs in Hytale. I hope this tutorial has helped.